So guys, next, open any browsers to type Google search box Lenovo Leon Stream 5 driver download and go to the first URL, which is, you can see, is pcsupport.lenovo.com. This is officially website you can download driver. So you can see this is, there are two type to install, first automatic and second manual. So if you click to scan now in the automatic, so guys, it will system automatically scan your system and require driver to install. Okay, and second, this is manual. So manual means you have to install the separately. Okay, then guys, click to Bluetooth, and this is Bluetooth, Intel Bluetooth driver. Just click to download. This is start downloading. It will show, just single click to setup, then click to yes. Okay, I accept the agreement, then click to next, select the install by default, then next, then guys click to install, extract and installing by cmd command. Okay, and then clicks to finished, then restart your system.